23号，坦桑尼亚总统基奎特在总统府接受本台记者采访时表示，中国是坦桑尼亚的好朋友、好兄弟、好伙伴。坦桑尼亚是中国的全天候朋友，坦方热切期盼习近平主席的来访。
It's going to consolidate our relationship. That China values the relationship that we have, as we also value the relationship that we have with China. So we're excited about the visit.
基奎特表示，坦中两国在许多国际问题上有着一致的看法，在外交领域相互支持。基奎特总统最后用一句中文表达了他对中国的祝福。
中伟大的，中国梦，梦想前进。
22号，坦桑尼亚外交部长门贝表示，此次习近平主席访问的重点是双方将在经济领域签署一系列合作协议。门贝对中国与坦桑尼亚的经济合作模式给予了高度评价。
The Chinese have dedicated themselves not only to help Africa, but helping a country like Tanzania to develop the partnership, to empower this country, not only to depend on the handouts from the big countries, but to empower us in terms of developing business, investment, trade, so that we can stand on our own and we act as partners